If you're new to Steam or you just want a quick refresher on how to move around the Steam store homepage, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to understand the layout, find games faster, and use the main sections of the store without getting lost. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the Steam store. Once the page loads, log in with your Steam account so you can see your personalized store experience. After you're signed in, take a look at the very top of the page. Steam keeps the homepage layout pretty clean once you know what each area does. On the left side, you'll see the Steam logo, and that usually takes you back home. In the center, you'll find the main store menus, which help you browse different parts of Steam. On the right side, you'll usually see the search bar and your username, which is where you can quickly search for specific games or access your account. Now let's go through the top menu one section at a time. The first option is your store. This is where Steam shows recommendations based on your activity, your wish list, and the kinds of games you've looked at before. It's a great place to discover games that match your interests without having to search manually. Next is New and Noteworthy. This section is useful when you want to see fresh releases, trending titles, and popular games that are getting attention right now. If you like keeping up with what's new on Steam, this menu is worth checking often. After that, you'll see Categories. This is where Steam organizes games by genre, popularity, price, and even free games. If you're not sure what you want to play, Categories can help you browse by style, like action, adventure, simulation, strategy, or co-op. Then there's the Point Shop, which is where you can find profile items, animations, backgrounds, and other cosmetics that you can buy with Steam points. It's not for games, but it's still part of the overall Steam experience. If you already know what you're looking for, the search bar at the top right is one of the fastest tools on the site. Just type in the name of a game, developer, or even a keyword, and Steam will pull up matching results. This is especially helpful if you want to skip browsing and go directly to a title. Now scroll down the homepage and you'll start seeing a lot more content. Steam usually highlights featured games, discounts, free-to-play games, and popular games all in different sections. These areas are designed to help you discover deals or find something new to play. If you're on a budget, the discount section is especially useful because you can quickly spot games on sale. When you click any game banner or image, Steam opens that game's store page. This is where you can get all the details before buying or playing. On the game page, the green button is usually the main action button, and it will let you buy the game or play it if it's already in your library. You can also watch gameplay videos and look through screenshots to see what the game is like before you commit. Another important part of the game page is the reviews section. This gives you player feedback, which can help you decide whether a game is worth your time or money. And if you want to know whether your computer can run the game, scroll to the system requirements section. That tells you the PC specs needed so you can check compatibility before installing. So to recap, the Steam Store homepage is really just about knowing where to look. The top menu helps you browse, the search bar helps you find games fast, and the homepage sections show you featured content, deals, and recommendations. Once you understand the layout, navigating Steam becomes much easier. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.